Mr. Fred Ombuna, the principal, Nyaore Vocational Training Center. We are hereby announcing to you that our exams are out and we have done it very well. So we are preparing ourselves to celebrate. It has been our norm and this time is not different. We have gotten the exemplary results. As I speak, we had 147 candidates. Out of those, we have 28 credits, 28 distinctions, 102 credits, 4 passes. So we have almost 100% pass. So we are happy as an institution. It has come just because of the discipline that we have, that's amongst the trainers and the trainees, and the much cooperation we have when we talk about all the stakeholders that have goodwill to this institution. So as far as exams are concerned at this level, we are still conquerors, and it has been the norm. So we are very happy and we appreciate those who assisted us to achieve these good results. We know very well it is not going to be taken for granted. So we pray that these exams that are coming in November will also be the replica of what has happened now. So we thank everybody for whatever has happened, and we appreciate, and more especially, the county government that has assisted us under the guidance of His Excellency, the Governor Simba. We are very happy and God bless you so much. Because of what has been happening all through in our years when we do exams and when we release exams. So we are very glad this morning to announce to you that exams are out, that this July series, and we have done very well. It has been our norm, and I want to announce here, we have done much better than last year. We have 28 distinctions, and 102 credits. We have only 4 passes. So we have 100% pass. So first and foremost, I want to thank our trainers. They sacrificed a lot. No wonder we have those results. Again, another congratulation goes to the former candidates who sacrificed a lot, and we have attained our position. And normally our position as far as our exam, this level is concerned, we are still in number 1. It is not easy to maintain that number. That's because of sacrifice from all the stakeholders, starting from the county government, the political class, the students, parents, and the trainers. If we are not connected, then we cannot achieve the results we have achieved. It's because of the teamwork that we have had amongst all the stakeholders. No wonder Nyaore is still shining. And I'm sure we'll continue with this motto. In Nyaore, we don't make a mistake. We know what we came for, and we know what we are. And we are not proud because of the papers, that you have a distinction on a paper. Practically, we are everywhere, and our students are doing very well, everywhere in every sphere of this country. So I'm appealing to Mwanyagetinge. We are a school to reckon when we talk about the technical skills. When we talk about the vocational skills, it is Nyaore, Nyaore, Nyaore. So students who are here, follow the footsteps. I know come November this year again, November series will shine. Yes. Come next year, it is the same thing. And what has helped us is because of discipline. Discipline amongst all the students and the trainers is paramount. And where there is discipline, normally quality training and the quality results are the motto.
Being able to conquer the national exams that our students have been partaking. The July 2023 series has come out and we have passed exemplarily. And this is a confidence in Nyaore that Nyaore can produce great people for this nation. So my urge is parents should continue bringing, they should not despise technical institutions, because technical institutions are very great and have a great place in this country. Because these people, these students are the ones who are going to partake, be part of the Vision 2030 where the government intends that the country should be industrialized. People with the technical skills and those people who will be able to operate in those industries. If I can give you a small scenario, I'll take a department like electrical. Electrical is the biggest employer in the world, worldwide. People who study electrical and electronics. Has employed most people in the labor market. It's the biggest industry according to the labor market. It's the biggest industry in terms of labor. So if we have more people studying electrical and electronics, with the vision our president has of building smartphones for this country, the people who will be able to work in those industries are these students who come to technical schools like Nyaore Vocational Training Center. The county government has been supporting it and it's continuing supporting it, and we have big promises and we have a big dreams of making this school great, and we are planning to partner with more institutions so that we can elevate it to greater heights. So parents from the locality, parents from the whole nation are encouraged to bring students to technical schools so that they can be able to get skills, so that they can be able now to support themselves. Most of these students, one of the great things I admire about technical skills, most of these students are self-employed because their skills will generally employ them. Like a mason, everyone is aspiring to have a house. The government is aspiring to build houses for citizens of this nation. Who are going to build those houses if not the students from technical schools? Because there are people with the technical skills to work in those, to work in such an environment. So for me, is to encourage the community not to despise technical schools, not to despise schools like Nyaore Vocational Schools, because if you can look at the alumni of this school, if we can call a meeting here of the alumni, you will be proud of the people who work in this compound, because most of them are the people you are calling out, say they are contractors. But when there were students here, they were not seen as contractors, but now outside there you call them engineers, because they are capable of building a structure from the ground back at the level that you want. So my urge for people to get technical skills and people to be able to support, the future is technical regarding education systems. Because if you have a technical skills, ukijua kutengeneza sofa set, everyone in their homes today has a sofa set. The person who makes that sofa set is a person with technical skills. Is a person who has carpentry skills, carpentry and joinery skills. So parents, this is an urge to you. Let's appreciate and embrace technical skills and bring our students to technical skills. and to get technical institutions so that they can be able now to get the required skills, and they can be able now support their own life because they have their own skills. If you have a skill, it will help you to grow. So I thank you all, and I congratulate the class of 2023 for making us proud, and I believe the current class that is waiting for the exam in November 2023, they will also make us proud, and I wish them all the best. Thank you very much.
All right, maybe Mwalimu, before you finish, yes, I would like you to talk about the minimum requirements
Okay.
for them to join this school.
The minimum requirement for joining Nyaore Vocational Training Center is as simple as you sitting for your KCPE education. Once you sit for your KCPE education, that's the minimum requirement required for you to join Nyaore Vocational Training Center. With that, you can be able now to take any course in technical skills, because we believe in practicality. So you are taught on how to do something. So the minimum requirement is class 8.
My name is Teresa Mora, a student from Nyaore Vocational Training Center. I think the principal, the deputy principal, the teachers, and my fellow students for this opportunity. So today it's a great day that we're celebrating the winners of who performed so well in this school. So hawa wanafunzi wenye wamepita kutoka kwa hii shule, they were one students kwa hii shule, si ndio? So effort yote yenye wametengeneza is through our teachers and our dear principal. I have a small history about this school. Kitu yenye linifanya nikuje kwa hii shule. So a day like this, I was in Nyaore market. Then I saw nikaona wanafunzi. So they were really celebrating. They were so happy. So people were asking, hao wanafunzi ni wa shule gani? I was eager to know about this school. So one of the ladies akaniambia it's a polytechnic from this school, from Nyaore region. I have a friend mwenye alikuwa anasoma hapa. So the friend told me, akaniambia uzuri wa hii shule, and she was a former student from this school. She had a distinction also. So she came at our home, na through kuongea na yeye, she encouraged me nikuje kwa hii shule. Nilikuwa nimefanya another course from Eldoret Polytechnic yenye ni tourism management. So mostly, it was a year nilikuwa nyumbani bila kazi. So she encouraged me nikuje kwa shule nipata skill, because after umemaliza kutoka kwa hii shule you can be self-employed, si ndio? So I came here on October last year, and by December I had acquired enough skill yenye iliniwezesha. I'm a student menafanya fashion and design. So by December nilikuwa able kujitengenezea dress, kutengenezea my mother a dress. By now nimejua vitu mingi sana, na uwezi compare. Ningekuwa nyumbani still na ngoja nitafutiwe kazi. Sai I can be able kutengenezea mtu nguo, I sell it na inani support. Yeah, wasichana we have so many demands, na through the skills zenye nimepata, at least I can acquire some things without depending on my parents. So I thank you, Mr. Principal, na the school at large for offering this opportunity. Na ninaweza encourage kila mtu mwenye ako hapo nje, mwenye kuna hii crisis ya joblessness. So na request watoto, anyone, umeambiwa the necessary thing yenye unafaa kuwe nayo ni certificate ya KCPE. So either kama uko na certificate ya KCPE, KCSE, ama uko hapo nje unatafuta kazi, you are welcome to Nyaore Polytechnic so that you can acquire any skill. Kuna fashion and design, kuna hairdressing, kuna building technology, kuna food production. So it's when uta make choice yenye yenye utataka, and you acquire the skill, na itakuwa imemaliza the problem of unemployment kwa Kisii County and the country at large. Yeah, so finally I thank the governor of Kisii County for giving us enough support kwa hii shule, na yeah, we appreciate
for the far he has brought us up to this time. So Nyaore, today we are celebrating for the examination which was done by the students who got out from this school last year, or last series, which has gone over. For now, we are celebrating for the results which we have been given great congrats from FL person from outside there. Why are they congratulating us? Because we have passed. Our students have passed. Even us, we are just promising that we are going to pass as they have passed. Because what they have done, it gives us a morale of doing better than now.